everyone. My name is Mishita Sharma, and as you all know, during the pandemic, we all should be very careful of our health. So, today I'm going to be making chicken soup. It's both healthy and tasty. So, here it goes. Let's make it. So, the ingredients are black pepper, clove, cinnamon, garlic, ginger, onion, coriander leaf. So we've got and mustard oil. I'm using mustard oil because it is very healthy and goes with the chicken. And here we even have chicken, since we have to make chicken soup. So let's start. So we're going to put oil in the cooker first. Let it warm for some time. Now we're going to put a bay leaf. And now cumin seeds. Some onions. Be very careful with this. Or ask an adult to help you. Now put everything that you have into the cooker. I'm warning you kids. Please ask an adult to help or be very careful. I almost burned my hand. After some time, mix it. And now put turmeric and salt as per taste. And now mix. Now you can put the chicken.
Use this.
Then mix it. Now we're going to put the coriander leaf into the cooker and then mix it. Now put some water. Wait for some time. Look at the result till now. Smells delicious. After 8 counts, we're going to leave it for low flame for 5 minutes. Oh, really did smell delicious. Smells delicious. I bet it tastes delicious. Wow, it's ready. Let's add in some finishing touches. Now we're going to make the chicken crisps to go with the soup. So here are the ingredients. So now we're going to make the chicken crisps to go with the soup. So here are the ingredients. So we've got cumin seed, red bell pepper, coriander leaf, turmeric, salt, mustard oil or any other oil you have, and chicken. So now put little oil in the frying pan. Let it heat. Let the oil spread through the frying pan so that that it became all oily so that we can easily cook it. Now we're going to put in the cumin seed. And red bell pepper. Fry for a few minutes and then put in the chicken. I have decorated this with some healthy immunity. Now the immunity booster soup, chicken soup is ready, and the crisp chicken. I have decorated the crisp chicken with coriander leaves, onions, and a lemon. So let's taste it. I'm going to taste some of the chicken with a little bit of coriander leaf. Delicious! Let's taste the soup. Delicious! Thank you. The soup is ready with the chicken crisp. Let's taste it. I wonder how it tastes. Delicious, good, bad, I don't know. I don't know why this is so slippery. Wow! Crispy. Delicious. Let's try the soup. I don't know why the soup is so soupy. Delicious! The soup and the chicken crisp is ready. Let's taste it. First, I'm going to taste the soup which has a little bit of the chicken crisp in it. See? Going to try it. Very good and delicious. I love the soup. Let's try this. So delicious. Thank you. I love this.